Okay, we need to show while we are working here. Let's rearrange. So we got x equal to plus by y, 7 plus y. Okay, we substitute here. 7 plus y square plus by y equal to 149. So here 7 square is 49 plus by 14y plus by y square. So a plus b square equal to a square plus by 2ab plus by b square. Okay, plus by y equal to 149. So y square plus by 15y. Okay, we minus it by 149. So it is minus by 100 equal to 0. Okay, we can factorize it. Equal to 0. Okay, when we multiply it equal to 100, while we addition equal to 15. So we got as y plus by 20 and y minus by 5. Yes, 20 minus 5 equal to 15 and 20 times negative 5 equal to negative 100. So we got first y equal to negative 20 and the second y equal to 5. Let's substitute. We got x equal to 7 plus y. So here is 7 plus by negative 20 equal to negative 13, and here is x equal to 7 plus by y. So 7 plus by 5. So you got x equal to 12, not 13. Okay, we got the answer. Here x equal to negative 13 and negative 20. Here is 12 and 5. Okay, 20. Triangle ABC is mathematically similar. So the corresponding side are, yeah. So 3.2 over 2.8 equal to here x over 1.61. Okay, so x equal to 3 over 2 over 2.8. We multiplied by 1.61. So here, can 32 by 8, 28 by 8. Okay, we can divide by 4. 2.8 divided by 4. Okay, let's divide by 2.8 divided by 0.4. Is 7, and 3.2 we divide by 0.4 equal to 8. Then we multiply by 1.61. You can use a calculator. The final answer is gonna be 9.204. Sorry, it's not 9. Is, let me calculate again. 8 divided by 7 times by 1.61. Okay, so the answer we will got as 1.84. So x here is 1.84. Okay, B, the diagram show two mathematically similar ball. The larger ball has capacity liter. So the volume. Okay, so the volume ratio. First we got as 7.8 to 4. Okay, so the height ratio or the side ratio is a cube root of it. Cube root of 7.8 and cube root of 4. Okay, this is the height. Okay, so here is 11.5 to x. So to find it x, this is 1 point, not 1, 11.5. Then we multiply by cube root of 4. We divide by 7.8. Okay, so here is x equal to 11.5. Okay, we need to find it, the cube root. Okay, here is cube root of 4, we divide by 7.8. Okay, let's make it cube root. And just multiply by 11.5 on your calculator. Then you will get as 9.204. Okay, 21. We need to sketch the graph of each this function. Okay, we got the hyperbola, so the asymptote. Let us find it the vertical. So this is when x equal to 0. Okay, we cannot make it as y equal to 1 over 0. This is undefined. And the horizontal, you can find it horizontal. So when y equal to 0, so x gonna be plus minus unlimited. Okay, we can try to substitute. When x equal to -1, we can just substitute y equal to 1 over -1. Here is -1. And then when x equal to 1, y equal to 1 over 1 equal to 1. Okay, here is the key, 1.1, and then -1 point -1. We can make it also go on. However, is, yeah, you can just make it. So 1.1, here it is, 1.1, -1.1, and so on. It's gonna be really. Here is -1 point -1, and they are symmetry. Here is 1.1. Okay, next, this is exponential. So as this is y always positive, so this is gonna be rising from left to the right. The asymptote, we can get it from the horizontal. Or the, yeah, when y equal to 0. Okay, so 0 equal to 4 to the power of x. So it's gonna be 0. Okay, we got it. Let's try to substitute. So y equal to 4 to the power of 1 equal to 4. And then y equal to 4 to the power of 2 is gonna be 16. And so on. It's gonna be increasing. So we can start from 0. Here is increasing rapidly. Okay. So when this is 1, okay, 1.4, let's say this is 1.4, here is 2.16, and go on. 22. A bag of rice has a mass of 25. Correct to the nearest kilogram. So nearest kilogram is 1 kilogram. We make it half is 0.5. Lower bound, so 25 minus by 0.5 equal to 24.5. 10 bags, so we multiply by 10, so we got as 245 kilogram. Okay, next. Let me fix it. We forget. Y equal to 4 to the power of 0. So it's equal to 1. So the key here is 1. Okay, 0.1. And then go on is, let me make it. 0.1, here is gonna be 1.4. Here is 2.16 and go on. Okay, B has 200 meters of wire. Correct to the nearest meter. So nearest meter is 1 meter. So make it half is 0.5. He cut the wire into n pieces of length 3 meters. Correct to 20 centimeter. So if this is 20 centimeter, so it's gonna be 0.2. So 0.2, we make it a half. So 0.2, we make it a half. It's gonna be 0.1. Okay, calculate the largest possibility. So the largest possibility, we can get it from the upper bound. We divide with the lower bound. So upper is 200 plus by 0.5. Lower is 3 minus it by 0.1. So 200.5 we divide by, we got 3 minus by 0.1. This is 2.9. So 200.5 we divided by 2.9. Okay, here is gonna be 69. As this is the largest possible value of n, the pieces. We cannot make it as the decimal number. So answer is 69. Okay, 23, the diagram show a pyramid. Okay, under this rectangular base, here is the rectangular 12 and 10. So here is gonna be triangle. So let us find it. Let's say this is x. So x equal to square root of 12 square plus by 10 square. So here is 144 plus by 100. So here is square root of 244. Square root of 244 is equal to 15.62. Okay, so here AC equal to 15.62. Okay, to find this angle to the base, so here is the triangle. This is 14, this is 15.62, and 15.62 we divided by 2, or we make it a half. This is 7.81. So find the angle. So we got the adjacent and the hypotenuse. So we will use as cos. So cos adjacent is 7.81. We divide by 14. So cos inverse of 7.81 divided by 14 equal to the angle. So the answer is going to be 56.09 degree. Okay, 24. A curve has the equation. Find the coordinate of its two stationary points. So stationary point when the gradient equal to 0. So you can find it the dy dx. So here is 3x square minus by 2 times 2 equal to 4x. It is. And here is 1 equal to 0. So this x, here is 3x minus by 4. So you got x equal to 0, or here x equal to 4 over 3. Can substitute to get it the value of y. So y equal to x cubed minus 2 x squared plus by 5. When 0, so you got as 0.5. It is 5. The second one, when x equal to 4 over 3. Let's substitute. So y equal to 4 over 3 cube minus by 2, 4 over 3 square plus by 5. Here is 64, 27 minus by 4 square is 16. So 16 times 2 is 20. 16. So 32. 3 square equal to 9 plus by 5. We can make it all of them to the here power over 27. Here we can multiply it by 3 and 5. we multiply by 27. I will write it here. 64 over 27 plus by 32 times 3 is 96 over 27 plus by, this is 5. Okay, 5 times 27. So we got as 135 over 27. The numerator are equal, so let's write it 4 over 3 here is over 27. And 3 times 3 times 3. This is not plus, here is minus. Okay, so we can make it 64 minus by 96 plus by 135. So we got as 103 over 27. There it is. Thank you.